This is so genius because it's color coordinated. So the kids can know like, oh, this goes in the pink bin. This is his home or her home. This one goes, in the purple bin or whatever the caddy color is. Hey there, I'm Katherine Barker, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 12 classroom organization ideas that will blow your mind. Okay, is that a bit of an exaggeration? Maybe, but I found these organization hacks to be absolutely genius. Okay, so the first organization hack that I love is using a hanging file folder for your parent-teacher conferences and for filing student information. So for this, you would just get like a hanging file box and you just kind of get the hanging file folders. You stick them all in, you get the tabs, you just put the students' names. You can even just, if you want to like number them, like student 1, 2, 3. I just did it alphabetically for my class, but do it however you want. And then you kind of just stick all your assessments in there. All throughout the school year, you can stick any student work that you would like to show at conferences. So it's just a great way to kind of organize everything. And then your conferences come, you put your report cards in each one of them, you have your hanging file, the parent walks in, you pull out the file, and everything is there for you. The second organization hack that I love is using clear bins with monthly labels on them. So for example, say you're in the month of August, and in this August bin, you can throw all of your, say, August like worksheets, activities, whatever it is that you kind of do in August, and you just put a label on it. And then every year to year, you go open up your August bin and go, okay, what did we do? Pull out what you want to do, plug it in your planner, and you're good to go. The third organization hack is using some sort of organizer for those little mini erasers. I loved collecting those mini erasers. I would go buy, and Target would have them in the Target bin, and I just had to grab them. And there's so many fun things that you can do with them. You can look on TPT. They have all sorts of ideas and different things that you can do. And it's just like kind of a fun way to store and organize them. The fourth organization hack that I love is having labels for your teacher binders for like, say, your assessments, for parent forums, for say your teacher planner, kind of where it's all just organized and stored and has like beautiful, colorful labels on it. That is just, it's like picturesque teacher perfection. I like to kind of keep my planner and kind of all of my folders kind of all in one spot that I had like near my desk. And if you're trying to figure out kind of what the best teacher planner is to use, be sure to check out my video on the top teacher planners of 2024. The fifth organization hack that I love is having these rainbow drawers and having a label on them and it being labeled like every day of the week. So like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you can kind of repeat it is kind of how I did it. So I actually would have like almost 2 weeks worth, and I had everything prepped and printed and ready to go in my Monday drawer. So I would just pull open, okay, this upcoming week, pull open my Monday drawer, and I had everything in there. I would even stick in like whatever activities or like hands-on materials that I needed, just because it was like easy to grab. And I literally just put it in the bin, pull it open, grab it, and I could just boom, 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 put it out on my center tables, and you're done. And I would do that. I would prep and then just kind of organize and file everything. And it's just such an easy way to like access your stuff. It's all right there. It's all done for you. So you just grab it and put it out at the end of every day to get ready for the next day. The sixth organization hack that I love is using a student welcome bag. So, when there are those times that you just kind of get a surprise new student, the office calls and say, hey, you have a new student today coming down. And you're like, oh my gosh. So this is like prepped and ready and done for you, where you already have like a welcome bag for them. You have all the paperwork that needs to go home that parents need to see, like that you had from your like back to school night, and whatever waivers or things they need to sign. You have like maybe like a little welcome treat or whatever is in there. Probably something that's non-edible or will go bad. And just kind of like a nice little welcome packet for them. So it's done, and then you just hand it to them, and it just makes it so much easier, so you don't kind of have to like panic and pull something together last minute. The seventh hack is using table caddies by color, which is so genius. So many times I felt like I would tell my kiddos, like, don't forget to put the pencil needs to go back to his home in this table, a table number 4, or I would have to like sort and put them all kind of back where they belong. This is so genius because it's color coordinated. So the kids can know like, oh, this goes in the pink bin. This is his home or her home. This one goes, in the purple bin or whatever the caddy color is. So total genius hack that can save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches of trying to reorganize all the supplies. Classroom organization hack number 8 is using desk drawer organizers. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful looking. Isn't this photo beautiful? I love this idea. I love having just little kind of looks like Tupperware bins, and you just small ones, and you just kind of put your stuff in there, and it's all nicely organized, and you pull it open and you know where your stuff is and it doesn't get shuffled around. So this is such a great hack that can really, I feel like really is mind blowing. And it's like, oh my gosh, it's so simple, but it's so smart. And this just makes it so much easier to keep this stuff in your desk drawer clean and organized. Number 9 is using, like an organization, like kind of container for, say like your teacher supplies. So like paper clips, Post-its, Sharpies, markers, pens, pencils, all of that is kind of labeled and in these lovely little pull-out drawers. I believe you can get it like at Staples. You can probably get it on Amazon, but it's just such a nice, beautiful way to kind of have it all organized and just sitting on your back counter or somewhere near your desk, and it's easy to access. Looks so pretty, and it just kind of keeps everything nice and organized. Number 10 is using a rolling cart organizer. So this is so great to use if you have like a rolling cart, and say like for maybe your teacher desk, like a kidney table during like centers or guided reading. It just looks so nice, and it's less of a headache for you, and it makes it that much smoother to have centers or guided reading. Number 11 is using cord markers. Which is so smart because I feel like I would have all these cords and I would ask my husband for help, and he would come in and be like, where do these cords go? Where's this one going? And I would be like, I don't know. So this is such a smart way to kind of label them, have them organized. And just, it's simple little like tape that you use, and it's colored tape, and you can just write a little something on it, and it just kind of keeps it nice and organized, and you know what goes where. And number 12 is the granddaddy of them all, just like using a beautiful rainbow system. You can kind of see this person did it where they have their boxes all rainbowed and labeled, and you can see that they have their monthly bins that are all colorful, and they're labeled, and they're clear bins. They're easy to get to. They have their the teacher supplies organizer with the pull-out drawers. They have all their supplies in like a little rainbow rolly bin. So it's like cardstock, laminating sheets. So this person it's so fun, so beautiful, and so well organized. And it just makes me drool. I don't know about you, but it is such a fun, idea to kind of model after and to use in your own classroom. An honorable mention that I'd like to also talk about is having a sub tub or like a sub file system. So that way, if you're out sick or you have some emergency that happens, you have sub plans ready for you. They're all ready to go. Everything is in your tub. And so you can just tell, the office, hey, sub tub is, on my back table, or you can tell it your teammate or coworker, and it's all done for you. So that way, say maybe, or even if you're sick at home, you don't have to type up sub plans. So a sub tub is also a fantastic idea. So that's it for the 12 classroom organization hacks that will blow your mind. Don't forget to check out my video on the top rated planners of 2024. I heard from hundreds of different teachers what their favorite planner was, and these are the top 3 results. So be sure to check that video out. All right, that's it for now, my friend. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, happy organizing.